We're demonstrating the GEIS Pathfinder tool. We're going to route some fibre between the Grafton Centre complex and the building to its south. We'll use one of the complex's access points as the start point of our trace. And set the building as the endpoint. At this time, we could, if we wanted, restrict the trace by specifying items that must or must not be included in the final path. We hit the trace button and the tool executes a shortest path trace between the endpoints. This basic level 1 trace merely establishes that we've got connected structure and route between the endpoints. When we drive to the trace, the cyan highlight indicates legitimate segments not used, while the green is the final shortest path. A level 2 trace is more restrictive. Only segments with sufficient available fibre are considered. We can specify how many fibres we're looking for and of what type. The red highlighting indicates segments that do not contain enough fibre to be considered in the trace. We change to the Path tab. The structures and route are shown across the top of the display, and going down we list the sheaths present in each link. We can choose to draw each sheath in a different colour. We show the cable connectivity and jumpering at each structure. The next step is to select the sheaths we want to use for our final path. Now we execute a level 3 trace with the sheaths we want to use as part of the include list. This time we have compressed the intermediate structures and routes, and on the next level down we're displaying the single sheath path we selected. Below that are listed the individual fibres present in each sheath. Some of the fibre is shown with a coloured chevron, and this indicates that by convention that fibre is used for a particular purpose, such as protection. There's some XML which the administrator uses to configure this. To construct our fibre path, we simply select the fibres we want to use from each sheath and click the Connect button. We can do this one at a time, or connect multiple fibres with a single click. When we've built our end-to-end path, we change to the Patching tab. The tool generates a list of patching instructions. These can be saved to disk for use by an operator in the field, and we can also make the necessary changes in PNI automatically. Here we have our new path, and we can continue working with our route to make further changes.